Today I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Webflow. A favicon is that small icon that appears in your browser tab next to your site's title, and adding one gives your website a more professional, polished look. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Webflow dashboard where you can manage all your sites and projects. Now that you're in your Webflow dashboard, you'll see a section labeled All Sites. This is where all your Webflow projects are displayed. Navigate to this section and hover your mouse over the site where you want to add the favicon. When you hover over it, you'll notice a three-dotted icon appear. Click on those three dots and a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up the settings panel specifically for that site. Once you're in the settings panel, look for the favicon option in the navigation menu. Click on it to access the favicon upload section. Before you proceed, it's important to make sure your favicon image is properly formatted. Your image should be 32 x 32 pixels and saved as an ICO, PNG, GIF, or JPG file. Having the correct dimensions and format ensures that your favicon displays correctly across different browsers and devices. After confirming your image meets these requirements, click on the Upload button. This will prompt your computer to open a file browser window where you can locate your favicon image. Browse through your files and folders until you find the image you want to use as your favicon. Once you've found it, click on the image to select it, then click Open. Your favicon will now be uploaded to Webflow. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Webflow site, giving it that extra touch of professionalism that helps it stand out in browser tabs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.